The Mini-Star and BioStar use positive pressure, which gives you superior adaptation to your model, ensuring the accuracy and fit of your appliance. These machines can significantly reduce your lab expense by increasing the variety of appliances you can do in-house. Most of the technique videos in our resource center feature the BioStar because that's what we use in our commercial lab at Great Lakes. For most dental practices, the Mini-Star is ideal. You can use the Mini-Star to fabricate the same extensive variety of appliances that you can with the BioStar.
The final trim lines for the Mouthguard are illustrated for facial and palatal areas. A high-speed dental lathe with an acrylic grinding stone is most often used to trim the mouthguard. The grinding stone can be secured to the lathe using a quick chuck attachment. A vacuum system with lighted splash pan is recommended. The edges of the grinding stone should be rounded with a stone truer tool. This also roughens the surface of the wheel, enhancing its performance. Hold the mouthguard to the front bottom section of the grinding stone. Use medium to light pressure to trim the palatal plastic approximately 2 mm from the gingival margin. The back of the mouthguard is trimmed to the distal marginal ridge of the last tooth on each side of the arch. Along the facial surface, the plastic is trimmed about 3 mm below the gingival margin of the molars, then increases to 5 to 12 mm towards the anterior dentition. Notch-like cuts are made at the labial and buccal frenum areas. A chamois buff is used to round and smooth trim surfaces. This buff is used with a threaded mandrel in the quick chuck mechanism. Only smooth trim borders using light pressure on the high-speed lathe. Once the threaded mandrel is held by the quick chuck mechanism, attach the wheel. Smooth only the trimmed edges with the wheel. If a lathe is not available, a handpiece may be used to trim the mouthguard. A carbide taper burr is used to trim the palatal and facial areas, following the same protocol that was used during the lathe trim. Then a Dymo wheel, 1-inch chamois or satin buff is used to smooth trim surfaces. Using the handpiece, use a medium level speed with the finishing wheels. Shine the trim mouthguard by lightly melting the top plastic surfaces. Overheating will burn or cause plastic to bubble. Reduce heat of the torch by adjusting airflow and gas intensity. Flame around the periphery of the mouthguard twice, then cool in water. Remove appliance and model from water. Blow off moisture and evaluate shine. Repeat this process as needed.
These technique videos, along with the other information on the Resource Center, can show you how to get the most from your machine and how to ultimately take control of your lab bill. Maximize the potential of your Mini-Star.